All right, guys, we're here at Atwell in the city of Banning. We're gonna be checking out this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with the unfinished attic, man. I'm excited for it.
Yeah, this is the one with the unfinished attic. Like you said, it's 800 square feet. It's big. So it may not come out as big on the video, but it's huge up there.
All right, well,
let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
All
Screw
right.
the intro. So let's just go.
I love it.
Come on. Oh,
1963.
We even have the code for this? Dude, who are you?
Man, if you only knew.
All right, so show them around, Eddie.
All right, so coming into the house real quick, we're gonna go into the main living area, but right behind you, we have a den. So I like this den. I always say you can put a barn door in here, you can close it off, and then you'd have another room.
Yeah, or you could even use it as an office, right?
Yeah. So this is only a 2-bedroom, right? So the idea of this is not to have, you know, it's not a huge house. Like I have a couple that it's just them two, they're older, no kids, just have a dog. So this is gonna be the ideal house for them, and then the price point is good too.
So let's talk a little bit about actually the price on this one, since we're touring it. We spoke about it being a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home.
Okay.
What's the price, square footage, all that good stuff?
So this one starts at $385. That one does not have a den. This one that we're standing in, it starts at $399, 1530 square feet. And then we did just find out that if you want the model with the attic unfinished upstairs, it's a $30,000 edition.
30,000.
Yeah.
But it's worth it, man.
No, it's worth it. I mean, even if you were to close that off and create 2 bedrooms, I mean, you're gonna have lighting, you're gonna have some plumbing set up there. So you guys, it's gonna be useful space.
Yeah, so for, you know, for basically adding an additional 30,000, you're gonna be adding another, you're gonna be like 2,300 square feet.
Yeah, you'll be like at 429.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Well, let's show them around a little bit before we go check out the attic. I know we have this big open area here.
Right, which is, you know, what's still nice is that it's a smaller house, but it still has that new open floor plan like you're gonna find at all these new builds, right?
Yeah. Yeah, show them around the kitchen and all that open area before we head to the master.
So it is a little different. You do have your washer and dryer over here in this area.
Yeah, Ida's a superstar recorder.
Good with it. Yeah, she is. So one thing you're gonna notice though is that since this house is smaller, remember 1 stories always take up more of the lot. So these lots are gonna be about 6,000 to 7,500 square feet. Now this being a smaller home, you're gonna get a little bit of a larger backyard.
Yeah, so let's check it out. So my wife was actually like asking me, hey, about these homes in Banning. We kept posting about it. She's like, I want to know a little bit more about them. And she's like, do they have a backyard? So as you can tell, every lot's going to be a little bit different, but you do have some good space here, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it feels good. You can have people over. You can have people stay over when they, you know, when you redo the attic. Because I mean, if they're driving all the way out to Banning to visit you, they might as well stay for a night or two.
I think they're gonna be surprised once we get up there to that attic area.
Yeah, I don't think they know.
No,
Yeah, they don't know. They would show them the master first.
Yeah.
And then we'll go towards the attic area after. It's nice and cold in here.
Hey, it's a little too cold though.
Yeah.
It's getting cold, man. Yeah, I feel cold.
Yeah, so good master area. Show them the restroom. Let them know about
look at the restroom. There's actually a lot of space here, right? You don't feel cramped. You have your stand-up shower here, walk-in closet, toilet over here. But what I like is you don't feel like it's small. It's actually still a good size where the 3 of us are standing in here and there's plenty of room.
Yeah, I do like this. Good master size. Like you don't need more than this.
And remember, this is 1,500 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So we're not in a 25,000 or a 2,500 square foot home. So we'll go into the second bedroom.
Eddie in there.
Yeah, second bedroom. It's actually still roomy. You have a nice closet. And then right out, you're gonna have your middle bathroom.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna go into my favorite part of the house, Eddie's favorite part of the house. It has to be,
Everybody's
right?
favorite part.
Yeah, like this is what people come for. So let's come into the attic area.
And then you can see it's unfinished. So this is how the house would come, unfinished.
Yeah, so look at this area. When most people think of an attic, Eddie, they're probably thinking like, I'm gonna be cramped up. I gotta like walk down.
I'm 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't even reach it with my hand up.
Dang, why do you gotta make me look bad, bro? I'm like 5'10" and a half on a good day. But
So
yeah,
like,
no, really
one
good
thing I
space.
always point out is sometimes you would think like maybe up to here, this would be the space of it. And you're like, oh, okay. But no, I mean, look at the whole width of this area here.
So again, it's gonna come unfinished, right? So you're not gonna have all of this. You're definitely not gonna have the AC up here.
So you'll have the AC, it's in here. You won't have the ducting.
Really? Oh,
But,
so they are gonna include the AC.
Yeah, all that'll be in here. And from when I spoke to the manager was that the AC is pretty much set up to where you can run it. So you hire somebody, this ducting, it'll be so easy for them to tap into it and kind of have the same idea of running it out here. And it is cold right now up here.
Yeah, you can definitely feel it, but there's just so much you can do up here, guys. I mean, we're talking about 800 square feet. That's like some apartment sizes, right?
It is, absolutely.
So you could do a man cave up here. You can do game room, gym.
Office. What people are saying is splitting it into 2 bedrooms, right? Like 1 and 1 on this side. So I'll step over here. So like a bedroom here,
Restroom.
and then restroom there. And then you still have a loft that could become over there where you're standing, and even an office area right there.
Yeah.
So the possibilities are endless, right? It's whatever you want to do. One thing I liked how they pointed out was that it's unfinished, but it's upstairs. So if you're gonna work on it, it's not like the downstairs is unfinished. That's all completed.
Yeah.
You have a brand new home. So you can take your time thinking of what you want to do up here and how to do it.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think this is a huge plus for people looking to move out here to Banning. So guys, we're gonna be showing you guys the rest of the models, but if you guys are looking to schedule a showing for this one, you know we're the right team for it. So again, there's always, just so you guys know, there's always gonna be links in our description where you can either click the link, book a 15-minute call, search more homes in the area to get an exact idea of what it looks like. But we have a ton of videos that are just gonna help you.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So
yeah, and the thing with this community here, a lot of it is appointment-based only. Preferably, they want you to come with your agent. That way we can come out here and show you everything since they need to stay out there.
Yep.
So give us a call. Usually book that 15-minute consultation, guys. You'd be surprised how much information you're gonna learn from there. And more importantly, if it even makes sense, right? You can ask us, hey, what does that payment look like in that area for that house? We can tell you. If it makes sense, we'll book that appointment. We'll come out here with you and explain the whole process and get you into a home.
yeah, I can't wait to show you guys the next home. Actually, Eddie and Ida are gonna be showing us. So I'm super excited to show you guys the Mariposa.
Let's go.
All right.
Hi guys, welcome to the Mariposa. This one is 1,775 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's go check it out.
Let's go. Ladies first.
Thank you.
So walking into this is my favorite floor plan because it has a side entrance. You know what that means to me? When I come out, I don't gotta talk to my neighbors right away. They're not gonna see me.
I don't know how to
Hey, open it for her.
Thank you.
Right.
Hi guys, so this is my favorite floor plan. It is an open concept. We do have the master bedroom over here on this side.
So nice open floor plan that flows all the way through. One of the nice parts, you have a nice walk-in pantry here, kitchen on the side. One thing we do have to put out there for you guys is that on the Rosetta floor plans, the kitchen island is not included. It's about a $2,000 to $3,000 upgrade. Once we go into the other houses, the kitchen island is included, but nonetheless, the price point is there and it makes sense. All right, Ida, so what do you like about this master here?
That it's separate from the other rooms.
On the complete opposite side,
It's
right?
on the complete opposite side. So you have the bedrooms all the way on the other side, and This one's kind of more.
So mom and dad can have, whoever has a master is completely separate. All right, let's go in here. So nice stand-up shower. These are upgraded, of course, but it gives you an idea of what you can actually get in here. I would say it's a little bit smaller in here, but nonetheless, it's still a good size. It's your bathroom. Walk-in closet is nice. It kind of wraps around a little bit. And then, like Ida did say, the nice part is that the other bedrooms are on the other side. So let's get you guys over there on that side. All right, so real quick, what I like is this, how it flows in, right? From the front door, and we have a den here. So this can be like that playroom, like Robert always says, you can throw the kids in here with their mess, and it's still separate from what you have over there. Now here, we have your washer, dryer, still, and a good amount of space too. We'll head back out a little bit, and they just threw it here. It's like a storage spot. If you do arts and crafts, I think this is a perfect idea. My wife saw it and said, man, that's a perfect setup for that.
Come on, check out the room, guys. So you have your bathroom on this side, and you have one bedroom on this side. Spacious. And your last bedroom is here. So completely opposite side from the masters, which is great for some people. So this home is priced at $412,000.
Okay guys, so this is actually a good example of how the house will come. So you get the microwave, your stove, washer and dryer. So it is these individual stoves that you see here. The cabinets are more than likely like this with the white, with the knobs. So this kind of just gives you more of an idea of how the house will come. There's some small upgrades, of course, like that farmhouse sink that we have here on the side. But nonetheless, this is more than likely how your house will come.
So me and Robert will be showing you Holly next. Let's go check it out.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna be checking out Holly here at Atwell. This one's a little over 1,900 square feet. How many bedrooms does it have, Ida?
4 bedrooms, and it has 3 baths.
4 bedrooms, 3 baths. This one's gonna be starting around $429,000. Yes. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
All right. Ladies first?
Yes. Oh, I don't know the code.
What's the code?
1963.
Man, we got access to codes and stuff. You know we're doing stuff right. Bring them on in, Ida. All right, so when we're about to start this, Ida's like, I don't really care for this one. So Ida, what don't you like about this house?
I don't like the layout. So I don't like how you have your 2 bedrooms on this side. Like I wish it was at least covered.
Gotcha.
That's the only thing that I don't like about it.
Yeah, I do like when you walk in, it's kind of like a little open, right? Like I do like that because you have the little extra square footage, but show them around the rooms real quick.
Alrighty, so you have your first bedroom on this side. And then you have your bathroom on this side.
This one's a little bit smaller than the last one, right?
Yes. So this one's a little bit smaller.
Of a bedroom.
You have a small closet on this side.
And then let's show them the third bedroom. So if you guys follow me this way, we do have the 3rd bedroom here. It's gonna be a smaller bedroom, not as big as the one in the front.
And you do have a full bath.
Yeah, I didn't know about that. I didn't know about the full bath there, actually. So this one caught me by surprise. So, I mean, this could be like a in-law suite, basically, if you wanted to. Because I was kind of thinking about the layout, Ida, like you said. It is kind of weird, but now that it's like separate, like I can see that. And then we have the washer and dryer room here. Closet space, nothing special. All right, Ida. So you said that the layout wasn't your favorite, but what do you think about this open setting?
I love this layout.
Yeah, the open concept.
Open concept.
Yeah. So I do like this. I like the way this is set up. Kitchen's to the corner. You do have your dining room area here. We talked about the island being an upgrade, right? We have the living room area. I do like how they do this a lot. They do this a lot with these homes. They put the master bedroom separate. You want to show them around the master bedroom,
Yes,
Ida?
let's go see the master.
Ida's ready for this video. I love it.
So probably this is my only favorite part about this plan.
Okay, yeah.
So it does, so the bathtub here, it is an upgrade, but it costs like a few thousands to, get it. I would recommend to get it. Personally, I love bathtubs. You do have your closet space here, pretty spacious. But I like how simple it is, really nice.
Yeah, it's really clean, good space. I do like that it's in the corner. Guys, in the comments, let us know what you guys think of the layout. Me and Ida battling it out. I kind of like it. She kind of doesn't. I like the master bedroom. She also likes it. So what are your thoughts on the master, on the layout? Let's go check out the backyard real quick. Ida, after you.
Thank you.
So depending on the lot size that you get, right, it's gonna, this one's a little bit bigger, a size lot, but since the house is a little bit bigger, it goes a little bit further out, so it cuts into, the yard space that you have. But you can have a pretty cool hangout here.
Yeah, it's pretty good space.
I know Ida likes to have a good time.
Yeah, maybe like 5,000, 7,000 square feet is what you'll typically get, but sometimes, you do get lucky and get bigger lots.
Yeah, depending on where you're at. Man, look at all this side space over here. I know we missed it on that first one. The first one's side space is huge. Technically, you don't have RV parking here. They don't offer it, but I mean, if you put it, what are they gonna do, right? You got enough space there. All right, guys, so we just finished off the tour here at Atwell. This is gonna be for Rosetta. A little bit about HOA and taxes, brother.
All right, so HOA is $195 a month. Tax rate is 2.0, but we'll do some videos on the community, what's included, and I think it's one of the nicest ones, and everything here is worth it for that price.
Yeah, absolutely. So just so you guys know, prices are going to be starting around like that $385 on the low end. Those are starting prices, right? So upgrades could change that up to about that $429 for the Holly that we just seen right now. And square footage is probably starting around like
1530 to 1958 square feet.
1958. And then they also offer the Lily, which is a little bit smaller, right? That's going to be
like 100 square foot difference, and it's basically just that den. When you walk in, it's not there.
Yeah, so quite a bit of selections, right? Good price. Guys, if you guys are first-time home buyers and you guys are looking to make the move out here, when you're buying new construction, it is a little bit different. So, if you get a regular loan and you're thinking, man, I got approved for $385, my payment's like, I'm good with that payment. Think about like $600-700 more than that.
Right, because of the tax rate.
Because of the tax rate and HOA.
Or when you guys are getting approved, ask your lender, hey, can you approve me at a 2% tax rate? And then that'll tell you exactly what you're approved for.
Yeah, and then you add a $200 HOA on top of that.
Right, correct.
So, I mean, if you're a first-time home buyer, really, we talked about this, you're probably looking at around a $3,700 to about $4,000 payment for the ones that are starting off, right? The lower-end homes. So, all right, guys. Well, as you guys know, we always love to provide value, so if you can subscribe to the channel, and then share this with somebody that would benefit or is looking to check out these homes, because we are the team in SoCal to help you out. All right.
Let's go.
SoCal Cedeno out.